Okay, now that we've set up our Google account, which in this case is called Testing Out Splendid, um, what can we do with it? So in this session I'd like to talk about an RSS reader. So at the top here we've got all our options there, images, maps, etc. If you click down on more, you should see something that says reader. That's the one that we want. So if you click on that, you'll get to this screen here. There's loads of things here you can have a look at. You can actually take the tour. There's a little video that Google provides to show you exactly what a Google Reader does. I'd probably take some time. It's only just over a minute. Take some time, have a look at it, and it will really explain what you can get out of your Google Reader. But for now, we're going to dismiss that message, and we are going to get started by adding subscriptions. Okay. Now, first of all, let's start by adding a Splendid feed. So if we have a new screen, if you go into Splendid Comms, there you go. Now, anywhere you see this symbol here, it's an RSS feed. So let's have a look at the Splendid Loves RSS feed. If we click on that, we will get this. Don't worry at all about all of this mess on here, because what we're after is this address at the top. So we copy that, and that is basically your RSS feed. All of this code here is stuff that we don't need to worry about. We just need that bit there. So once we've got that and copied that in, we go back to our reader, and on the left hand side we see add a subscription. Click on that and simply just paste in the address that we've copied and add. And then what we'll get, we have subscribed to Splendid Love's feed, and that's it. So everything that now appears in Splendid Love, every time you have a new Splendid Love post, it'll appear in here. And what I like to do is up the top here to view the feeds in list view. So if you click on list, there you have it. There you have all of our Splendid Loves feeds, and if you press J on your keypad, this is a little shortcut, you can scroll down and view all of them. Now what this means is that every time somebody updates Splendid Loves, you don't have to keep going back to the website. You can actually just go to your Google Reader every day, and if there is a new update, it will update itself. So that's great. We've added a feed from a blog, and any blog or a lot of websites have that RSS. This little fella here have one of these symbols, and in theory every time you see one of those, you can then add a feed. Now that we've done that, let's go and put in something a bit more special. So if we go back to our Google page and click on more, you'll see in the list here blogs. Now this is Google's blog search. It's actually pretty good. It's very simple, and for that reason it is quite good. So in here, if we wanted to get all the news on Splendid Communications, we type it in. Now this could be your brand, this could be Guinness, it could be Marmite, it could be Smirnoff, but you type in your search word there and you search blogs, and there you have it. You have all of the blog posts that mention Splendid there. On the left hand side we have RSS feeds. So what we want to do, we want to grab the RSS feed exactly the same way. So we copy that, go to Google Reader, add a subscription, paste it in, and there you have it. So what this means is that every time a blogger mentions, in this case Splendid Communications, you will get that automatically pinged over to your reader. So it's a really smart way of tracking brand names or certain keywords. And again, if we click on one of those, we can see some stuff around Smirnoff that we mentioned in the Margarita blogger event, loads of stuff, the stuff that I did recently on Twitter. It's all in there, and you can just flick through that. If you actually click on one of these, you'll get taken to the blog, and there we are. There's Splendid Communications being mentioned there. And there you have it. That's the Google Reader.